How to log in to Wix account. So if you want to log in to Wix account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Wix, and after searching you will have this kind of interface. You will have this website. So now to log into your Wix account, on the upper right corner you will have login option. But if you don't have an account, then you can click on get started and then you can create your account. But to log in, click on login. And now to log into your account, you can continue with your Google account, or you can also continue with your Facebook account, or you can also continue with your Apple. So if you want to continue with your email, then come here and click on continue with email, and then you have to enter your email on the first blank. And after entering your email, you have to enter your password. And if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can click on forgot password and then you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password, and you can click here so that you don't need to enter your password next time while you log in. And after entering your email and password, you have to click on login. And now you have to confirm your account email. You can also skip this part. And that's it. That's how you log into your Wix account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.